Hello, this is Mr. Loreline with your weekly roundup for Language Arts 7 from October 19th until October 23rd. So, this week we are going to be finishing up our presentation. That will be on Monday. I'm going to give my example for the students, that way they have one to refer back to. And then, of course, students will kind of go back over their speech, do a little bit of practice on their own. That way they're not always looking at their paper. So those presentations will be due on Tuesday. We will be giving presentations on Tuesday and Wednesday. And on Wednesday, we'll talk about positives that we saw on presentations, kind of a little reflection piece there. Then on Thursday, we are going to be working on video subject-verb agreement by watching a video and looking on a worksheet. We'll have fun quizzes on subject-verb agreement and then finish off the day on Friday with a no red ink assignment. So that is your weekly roundup for this week for Language Arts 7.